Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be talking about the new Laura Lee Los Angeles launch. That was hard to say. Say that 5 times fast. It is called the Gilded in Bronze collection, something like that. I've had this setting here for like a week and a half now and kind of completely forgot to film it, so it's a little late, I'm sorry, but this is what it comes in, just a regular little box, and I have already opened it because you guys know I suck at opening seals. So, I have pre-opened it, it's in here, and yeah. It's a small box for what you get, which I appreciate because no need to waste things. How much did this collection cost? Doesn't tell me. Okay, well you get like the paper thing here, but it doesn't tell me how much it cost. So I don't remember. I think it was like 50 bucks for the whole thing, but the first thing in here is this guy here. This says Laura Lee Los Angeles Glazed in Bronze, and it's 3 liquid lips. We will save those till later. And then the main attraction is wrapped here, and then there is some more wrapping in there. Oh, there's a card. Let's not forget that. I have all of these just like setting in my windowsill over there. All of the like YouTuber lunches that I get. It's weird, but she looks really pretty there. There's some like bronzy leaves behind her, and it says Gilded and Bronzed. And then on the back, it's of course got the logo and then where to find her. So there's that. And then this part I'm super excited for. Okay, so get through the noise here. Unwrapping it, it does have a layer of bubble wrap too. And here is the big guy. I'm just about to throw this in the floor. I'm gonna throw it over here in my little box of trash because just cleaned this room and I need to keep it that way. We are moving soon. I move out on the 1st of December, so I'm super excited. But let's talk about this. So it's got I did get the set that has both. It's got the medium to deep and the light to medium. Probably not gonna be able to wear the medium to deep a lot, but should have done less dramatic eyes, so I could have played with that, but oh well. We will still swatch everything and talk about everything, of course. I'm ruining this packaging. Go figure. There we go. Okay. So sliding them out here. These are bigger than I remember them being. They look like this. We've got glazed and bronzed. You can tell by the packaging, bronze is the deeper one because of the ombre effect. This one kind of goes to like gold to like a pinky copper color, and this one goes from gold to like a champagne pink color. So let's go ahead and swatch glazed first, just because that's the one that I'm going to get the most use out of. There, of course, is this little plastic insert. There's a nice size mirror, which is not normal for highlighting palettes, so I appreciate that. And here are the 4 shades. You've got Diamonds, Glow Gal, Rose All Day, and Cinnamon Sugar. My eye immediately, of course, goes to Diamonds because it is the lightest shade. But let's go ahead. Ooh, they're very, very soft and creamy. I like that. I'm just going to go ahead and swatch all 4. The Cinnamon Sugar one feels a little bit different, the deepest one. Okay. Ooh, yes, I really, really like Diamonds, of course. Even these two seem a little bit deep for me. That one's definitely deep, the Cinnamon Sugar. But it'll be really pretty on the eyes. I might throw it in the crease somewhere a little bit. Okay. Let's go ahead and swatch they're called lip kits, that's cute. Bronzed lip kit. Ooh, that's okay. There is the insert on this one. Again, there are 4 shades and a nice mirror. You get Yacht Club, Rose Golds, Gold Rush, and On the Glow. This immediately gives me Fenty Trophy Wife vibes. I wish I had it so I could compare the two, but I don't. They're so soft. Pretty, okay. Oh yeah. Huh, that gold is intense. That's gonna be a very beautiful eyeshadow on me, but not a highlight for sure. Okay, so yeah, these ones are definitely gonna be way too deep for my skin tone. I can maybe get away with the rose gold ones as like a blush topper. That's gonna be about it. But let's just go ahead and play with these. I'm gonna put some on my face, some on my eyes, that kind of thing. That deep one, what was that called? On the Glow does not want to come off. Okay, there you go. So, where do I want to start? I am going to start with the Glazed kit because that's the one that's going to suit me better. I'm trying to find a highlighting brush and I'm not seeing one. All my brushes, I swear, have like disappeared, and I just cleaned them all, so I don't really know where they went. I should have been more prepared for this video, you guys. Seriously, where are my highlighting brushes? Where are you? No. Oh, maybe it's in here. Yay, okay, found it. I have it in my little like box that I was using the other day. So I'm gonna take Diamonds just because that's the shade that I'm most drawn to, of course. I'm gonna go get some nice amount on the brush, tap away the excess, and I'm gonna go on the cheeks with this one. Ooh, there we go. Yes. That's pretty. Not the most blinding highlight I've ever seen in my life, but it's there and it's pretty. Okay. Ooh, yes. Okay. This side never does it justice. This side is always the side that I'm just like, yes, because the light's over here. I really need to get actual light so you guys don't have to deal with that and you can see it from all angles, but right now I don't have that. So there is Diamonds. I like it. Okay, let's do, word Glow Gal might be a little dark. Let's do Glow Gal on the brow bone of my eyes. We'll do that. Okay, I'm gonna take this little brush. This is a concealer brush by e.l.f. That is the smallest little concealer brush I've ever seen. So picking up a Glow Gal, I'm gonna put that on the brow bone, just at the very top of the arch here. And working it over. This one's got a lot more shimmer than Diamonds has, which is okay. Oh yeah, that's a little deep. So the second shade in the light palette is even a little deep for me, which is sad, but that's okay. Still really pretty. I think it looks good with this eye look too. I would wear this on the brow bone a lot. Okay, let's do, I'm gonna take Rose All Day and I'm gonna go on a little bit, just a little fluffy brush like this. Close that. And I'm gonna just barely dip in there a couple times. I'm gonna put that on the apples of my cheek, just like as a blush topper. Ooh. I like that actually quite a bit. Just keeping it focused to the very tops of my cheeks, right in the center, just to kind of give that glow in the center of the face. Kind of mixing the highlight shades together. That's pretty. Okay. As for Cinnamon Sugar, I'm a little scared of it. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna take a little bit on a flat shader brush by Bodyography Pro, and I'm gonna put that on the eyes. We're just gonna go like where I have the brown. I'm gonna go right in front of that, just to kind of add a little bit of shimmery brown on the lid. Don't feel like it's doing too much, but I also already have eyeshadow on, so. Oh yeah, you can, yeah, that's pretty. It's a lot lighter on the eyelid than I thought it would be, but that's pretty. I like that. Okay. Palette went down. Let's go ahead and move on to the darker palette. Actually, just kidding. I want to put more of this on my face. I want to put Diamonds on the center of my nose and my Cupid's bow, just because I don't have any highlight on. I really like Diamonds. I think it's really pretty. It's like a good in-between from being too subtle to too blinding. Like it's a good in-between. Okay, now we're gonna switch palettes real quick. I'm not gonna do too much with this palette just because it's too deep for me, but I'm gonna put this gold on my eyes. I'm just gonna put it over top of what I've already got going on, just to kind of give it a little bit more of a gold feel. Oh yeah, that's pretty. I like that as an eyeshadow quite a lot, actually. I think that's pretty. I like how it's mixing with the tone of the white-ish silvery shadow that I had on. It's quite reflective. That's pretty. Okay. I'm not mad at that. Okay. Now let's take Yacht Club, the lightest golden shade that's in here. I'm just gonna take a little pencil brush and I'm just gonna put that in the inner corners of my eyes. They're very like moussey textures, so when you stab a brush in there, it kind of puts a little dent in there. That's pretty. Okay. I was a little bit worried getting this palette because I didn't think I'd get any use out of it, but I'm not mad at putting it on the eyes. I think that looks really nice, actually. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about these 3 liquid lips right quick. My lips have been very crusty and dry lately, so I'm not gonna lip swatch all 3. I'm just gonna swatch them on my hand and I'll put one on. Okay, pulling them out, right away I see like a bunch of like dust and dirt on them. I'm hoping it's just from like the cardboard packaging that they were in. So that's a little concerning. They're very, very dirty. Okay. We'll just ignore that. So swatching the first one, this one is called Cabana. And this is the nude shade. Probably the one I'll be wearing. I can't open it. Weird. Let me try to open a different one. Yeah, okay, I can open this one. We'll come back to that one. This one is Mai Tai. And this is like a nudie pink shade. Ooh, that's pretty. I really like that, actually. Maybe not with this eye look. Oh, they smell so good. They smell very fruity, which is not typical for a liquid lip. Usually you get like the cake scents or the mint scents. You never really get like fruity scents. I cannot open this. Okay, I can't open that one, you guys. Last one is called Coral Pop. And this one is like the bright, like a bright red shade. That's pretty too. I really want to wear that nude shade, but I can't open it. Like, I'm really trying, you guys. And Dylan's not here to open it for me, so I guess we're gonna skip that one. I'm sorry, but I'll put on Mai Tai. I have tried this formula. I do really like it. I don't hate that with this eye look. Really thought we were gonna make it through the video without a loud truck. Okay. Not the best application in the world. I didn't lip line or anything like that, but that's okay. That's what the lip looks like on. I actually think it looks really pretty with this eye look. I didn't think it would, but I quite like it. What is going on with these lips? I don't know. I'm still a little concerned about the fact that I can't open this one and about the fact that they were covered in lint, but you know, it is what it is. So that's everything for this video, you guys. Let me know down below if you guys have picked anything up from the collection, what you liked, what you didn't like, that kind of thing. And yeah, don't forget to like this video before you go. I guess I should tell you what I think of the collection first, huh? I really like the Glazed kit. I think it's really pretty, and I liked the bronze kit for my eyes. The liquid lips, I already know I like because I do like her formula quite a bit. But yeah, so I would say this collection's a win. You might not want to pick up the whole collection if you don't intend on using it on your eyes like I'm going to hopefully do. But if you're deep skin tone, definitely go for the bronze. If you're light skin tone, definitely go for the glazed. But if you want both, get both. But yeah, that's everything. Don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.